In this episode we'll go through, we'll fix the number plate, straighten that up, we'll put a number plate light in, and we'll also fix one of the tail lights which doesn't work, and I'll show you what I do there. So with the this park light here, it's not operating properly, so I think I know what the problem is. I'll turn them on and I'll show you how this one doesn't work. So you can see that well, it's working now, but this one's working, it's on. This one has a loose wire at the back here. You can see just as me fiddling with the wires, turns on and off. So I'm going to fix that problem. A little bit of hot glue, because of the connections all watertight and stuff. Just put a little bit of this on the back of it, hold it in there, and now it's working. As you can see, the number plate's all bent up and twisted and pretty much broken, and I don't even know if that would pass rego. So I'm going to pull it off and straighten it out, put it back on, make it look a bit neater, you know. And that'll just bring back that little bit of a look to the car rather than this trashy old number plate. So let's take it off. So with the number plate, you can see it's all bent and twisted, and so I'll just got a bit of wood and a rubber mallet. My dog's a tube. I'm going to straighten this up. See how bent that is, how bent the whole thing is. Minutes, nice and straight. Still a little bit covered by the bottom bar of the tray here, but much more presentable than what it was. So only took me 2 minutes. You sand it with the hammer, a bit of wood, a rubber mallet, a bit of wood. I'm happy with that. So with the number plate needing a number plate light and the fact that it's up tucked under here, I've got this bit of metal here which is just the back of a fridge, the little back door of it, I guess. I'm going to cut it up and hopefully I can get it to sit up kind of like that, nice and tucked away, and then I'll get the grinder out and take off this section here, just kind of straight down, and then hopefully I can mount the light in the middle of this, and then I won't have to drill into the tray or anything, and when I just figure out what I'm going to do after rego, after pink slip, I can just scrap this. It's only out of my scrap pile anyway, and I can replace it from there, do whatever I want to do from there. So I'll get on to cutting this to the right size and length and making it fit, making it look at least somewhat nice and work. using my little number plate thing that I've cut out, I need to put some holes in it. So because I know that the holes in the tray are the top two holes, that's the width apart, I'm going to use this, figure out which way I want to orientate it. This is a straighter edge down the bottom here, so I'm going to put that on the bottom, which means I want to line this up, and with the drill just on the grass here, so I don't drill into any cement or anything. I'm going to use these screws and screw it in. So that's the top. And now, if that's mounted in the holes, I need enough room for a number plate light, say there, and then I'll mount the number plate in underneath. So there's a little bit of overlap. If I have it like that, for example. A bit of overlap, a little bit of strength, keeps it sturdy, and we'll go with that. And do the same again. And I'm going to use these little holes in the middle. And we'll come around to the back here without tripping over. And just guessing where the holes are, it'll mount up something like that. I've got this set of number plate lights, just a negative, positive, and it's four wires running into two. So I'm going to have to take this off and just mount them up in there like that, figure out where to run the wires, connect all that up. So I've got to take the plate off again and wire these up. Get that all sorted and that'll be one job out of the way. Number plate's all mounted up with the two lights on it. Just got to run two wires from this into the factory wiring over here, which will be one to negative, one to positive, and that'll make everything work. So after a little bit of fiddling, because these aren't LEDs, so as soon as I plug this wiring harness into the wiring for this, it would kill that side because it was draining too much power. So I had to figure out where to get another lot of positive wire that wasn't part of the LED system, and I figured I'll take it out of the trailer plug. So I just went up to the corner here, followed the wires back, figured out which wire was the positive out of here, tapped into that, spliced in. Now I have two number plate lights. I have a left light, tail light, and I have a right rear tail light. So that's all done. I can tick that off the list now. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Spinner in the Works. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the episode. We do have plenty more to come with the pink slip, getting all that sorted, and getting the Hilux on the road. So hopefully I can get that uploaded soon and you guys can enjoy the content. Cheers guys.